Over nearly a decade, I found myself trapped in a relentless cycle. Each new year would dawn with a surge of energy and ambitious dreams, only to see those aspirations fade away within 3 short months. Year after year, I found myself ending in the same spot where I began. However, a turning point came last year when I decided to adopt a revolutionary approach to goal setting. Drawing on evidence-based strategies, insights from top experts, and analyses of case studies, I managed to achieve every single goal by year-end. As I plan my goals for this year, I'm eager to guide you through this transformative approach and show you how to set goals that are not just aspirations, but actual achievements. 1. Attach a so that I can purpose. One crucial aspect of effective goal setting is attaching a so that I can purpose. This means that you should link your goal to a specific outcome or benefit that you want to achieve or experience. By doing this, you give your goal a deeper meaning and a stronger motivation. Let's take the example of the goal to save more. Instead of a vague statement like, I want to save more, make it specific and meaningful. For instance, transform it into, I want to save money and budget wisely so that I can eventually afford to take a dream vacation with my loved ones and create lasting memories. By doing this, you not only make your goal clear and actionable, but you also infuse it with personal meaning, thereby boosting your motivation. You can also track your progress and celebrate your achievements along the way. The same principle applies to weight loss goals. Rather than a generic desire to lose more weight, specify it such as, I want to lose 10 pounds by June so that I can feel more confident and healthy. This way, you have a clear target and a compelling reason to pursue your goal. You can also plan your strategies and measure your results accordingly. Some other examples of attaching a so that I can purpose to your goals are, I want to learn a new language by the end of this year so that I can travel to a new country and communicate with the locals. I want to start a blog by next month so that I can share my passion and expertise with others. By adding a so that I can purpose to your goals, you make them more realistic, relevant, and rewarding. You also increase your chances of achieving them and enjoying the process. 2. Write it down. After attaching a purpose to your goals, the next step is to write them down. Numerous studies, including one involving Harvard MBA graduates in 1979, emphasized the power of putting pen to paper. The results showed that those with written goals and a clear action plan outperformed their counterparts significantly. Taking it a step further, a 2015 study by Dr. Gail Matthews confirmed the correlation between writing down goals and achieving them. Therefore, take your 2 to 3 significant goals, write them down, and enhance your chances of success. Writing down your goals has several benefits. First, it helps you clarify your goals and make them more specific. For example, instead of saying, I want to be healthier, you can write down, I want to exercise for 30 minutes every day and eat more fruits and vegetables. This way, you have a clear idea of what you want to achieve and how to measure it. Second, writing down your goals helps you commit to them and make them more real. When you write down your goals, you are making a promise to yourself and creating a physical reminder of your intentions. You can also review your goals regularly and track your progress, which can boost your confidence and motivation. Third, writing down your goals helps you focus on them and make them more prioritized. When you write down your goals, you are filtering out the distractions and irrelevant tasks that may interfere with your success. You can also break down your goals into smaller and more manageable steps, which can help you organize your time and resources more effectively. Some tips for writing down your goals are: use positive and affirmative language such as I will or I am instead of I want or I hope. Be realistic and attainable, but also challenging and ambitious. Avoid setting goals that are too easy or too hard to achieve. Write down your goals in a place where you can see them often, such as a notebook, a planner, a wall, or a digital device. Review your goals regularly and update them as needed. Celebrate your achievements and learn from your setbacks. By writing down your goals, you can increase your chances of achieving them and enjoying the process. 3. Restructure your goals. Breaking down one-year goals into manageable, time-bound components is essential. Psychologically, delayed discounting makes long-term goals less motivating. This means that we tend to value immediate rewards more than future ones, even if the future ones are larger or more beneficial. For example, we may prefer to spend money now rather than save it for later, or we may choose to watch TV instead of working on a project that is due in a year. This can lead to procrastination, lack of focus, and poor performance. To overcome this tendency, consider the 12-week year approach, where each 12 weeks equate to a year. This shorter time frame fosters a sense of urgency, making your goals more immediate and actionable. For example, instead of a vague goal like save $12,000 by the end of the year, restructure it to save $1,000 by the end of this month. This way you have a clear and realistic target that you can achieve in a shorter period of time. You can also break down your monthly goal into weekly and daily actions, such as save $250 per week or save 30 seconds per day. This helps you stay on track and monitor your progress more easily. The same principle applies to other types of goals, such as personal, professional, or academic ones. For instance, instead of saying, "I want to learn Spanish by the end of the year," restructure it to, "I want to complete a beginner's course in Spanish by the end of this quarter." Then, plan your weekly and daily activities such as study for 1 hour per day or practice it with a native speaker once a week. This approach ensures that every day counts toward achieving your goals and that you don't lose sight of your vision. Some benefits of restructuring your goals are: it helps you prioritize your most important goals and eliminate distractions or irrelevant tasks. It helps you focus on the actions that will bring you closer to your desired outcomes and avoid procrastination or excuses. It helps you motivate yourself by creating a sense of urgency and excitement for your goals and by celebrating your achievements along the way. By restructuring your goals, you can make them more attainable, relevant, and rewarding. You can also increase your chances of success and satisfaction. 4. KPI tracking. Key performance indicators, KPIs, are instrumental in tracking progress. They are measurable and quantifiable indicators that show how well you are performing in relation to your goals. KPIs help you evaluate your current situation, identify your strengths and weaknesses, and adjust your strategies accordingly. They also keep you accountable and motivated by providing feedback and recognition for your efforts. If your goal is to buy an investment property, KPIs could include actions like exploring the local neighborhood, visiting houses, and building relationships with estate agents. These actions are specific, relevant, and time-bound, and they directly contribute to your goal. By tracking these KPIs, you can monitor your progress and determine if you are on track or need to make changes. For example, you can set a target of visiting 10 houses per week and record the number of houses you actually visit, the price, the location, the condition, and the potential return on investment. This way, you can compare and analyze your data and make informed decisions. KPIs shift the focus from the goal itself to the specific actions that will lead to its accomplishment. This approach aligns with the idea of the 12-week plan, compressing a year's worth of achievements into a shorter, more manageable time frame. By breaking down your goal into smaller and more frequent milestones, you can create a sense of urgency and momentum for your goal. You can also celebrate your achievements and reward yourself for your hard work. Some tips for tracking your KPIs are: choose KPIs that are relevant and aligned with your goal. Avoid tracking too many or too few KPIs, as this can cause confusion or overload. Use a simple and effective tool to track your KPIs, such as a spreadsheet, a dashboard, a journal, or an app. Review your KPIs regularly and update them as needed. Use the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, to evaluate your KPIs and make adjustments if necessary. Share your KPIs with someone who can support you and hold you accountable, such as a mentor, a coach, a friend, or a family member. By tracking your KPIs, you can increase your chances of achieving your goals and enjoying the process. 5. Weekly progress reports. Incorporating weekly progress reports adds another layer of accountability and success. Dr. Gail Matthews' study revealed that individuals who shared their goals and progress with a supportive friend achieved significantly more. This underscores the importance of accountability in the goal-setting process. Implementing a weekly progress review, whether individually or with a team, allows for reflection, adjustments, and a continuous drive toward success. A weekly progress report is a simple and effective tool to track your performance and progress towards your goals. It helps you document your achievements, challenges, learnings, and feedback for each week. It also helps you plan your actions and priorities for the next week. By doing this, you can keep yourself and others informed and engaged with your goals. Some benefits of weekly progress reports are: they help you evaluate your performance and progress objectively and constructively. You can identify what worked well and what didn't, and what you can improve or change. They help you celebrate your achievements and recognize your efforts. You can also reward yourself for your hard work and motivate yourself to continue. They help you learn from your experiences and feedback. You can discover new insights, best practices, and lessons that can help you grow and develop. They help you communicate your goals and progress with others, such as your mentor, coach, friend, or team. You can share your challenges and successes, ask for help or advice, and receive support and encouragement. Some tips for creating and using weekly progress reports are: use a simple and consistent format such as a table, a list, or a template. Include the following sections: goal, action, result, feedback, and next steps. Be honest and realistic, but also positive and optimistic. Highlight your achievements and strengths, but also acknowledge your challenges and weaknesses. Be specific and concise, but also comprehensive and detailed. Provide relevant and accurate information, but avoid unnecessary or irrelevant details. Review your weekly progress report at the end of each week and at the beginning of the next week. Use it as a guide and a reminder for your actions and priorities. By using weekly progress reports, you can increase your chances of achieving your goals and enjoying the process.